Hello students, I am going to revise the chapter number 2, chapter number 3, that is trigonometry. And in trigonometry, you know that practice makes the man perfect. Practice makes the man perfect. Question number 1, sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon, that is cos 5x minus cos x, that is equal to tan x. This is question number 1. You have to prove this question. Clear? Now arrange the term first in the question. Apply formula here, sin x plus sin y. Apply this formula here, sin x plus sin y, 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Apply this formula here, and here apply formula cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Apply this formula here. Left hand side, 2 sin 5x plus x, 5x plus x, 6x, 6x by 2, 3x, 5x minus x, 4x, 4x by 2, 2x, minus 2 sin 3x as it is. Now in the denominator, apply that formula cos x minus cos y, cos x minus cos y, minus 2 sin 5x plus x, 6x divided by 2, 3x, 5x minus x, 4x, 4x divided by 2, that is 2x. Now you can take common from the numerator. You can tell 2 sin 3x, that is cos 2x minus 1 upon minus 2 sin 3x sin 2x. This will cancel. Right? Cos 2x formula of cos 2x. There are 4 formula of cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now can you tell me which formula you apply? Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Apply this formula here. And sin 2x as it is. You know that 1 to 1 cancel. Minus 2 sin square x. And the formula for sin 2x also, you know. Formula for sin 2x. Cos 2x, that is 1 minus 2 sin square x. And sin 2x, you know, 2 sin x cos x. Apply formula here, sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. This will cancel. Sin to sin cancel, sin by cos, that is tan x. Very important question. This is the example of NCERT. In this question, you apply these 4 formulas: sin x plus sin y, cos x minus cos y, cos 2x in the form of sin 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x. Apply 4 formulas. It means trigonometry is very tough chapter if you don't revise daily. Right? So if you know all the formula in your mind, then you can think about the steps, which steps further you can use. Next question. Next question you can solve. That is cos x upon 1 minus sin x. That is tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Second question. Yes. You know that formula, formula cos to x. Cos x formula, that is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and 1 minus sin x, that is also formula cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Use these two formulae in this question. Left hand side cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Apply here identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square. You can write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 this term cancel. Okay. In this term, divide numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. In this, divide numerator and denominator cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 divided by cos x by 2, that is 1. Sin x by 2 divided by this, that is tan x by 2. 1 minus tan x by 2. This is again formula. Formula you know very well. Tan pi by 4 plus x. This is the formula 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. Apply this formula here. So you can write tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. That is right hand side. Again check. In this question we apply these three formulae. Learn this formula also. Cos x, half angle formula, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. And this is 1 minus sin x. When you expand this formula, you know very well. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. You know that this is identity. This is identity 1 and this is formula sin x, half angle formula. Correct? This is question number second. Now we try to solve question number third. Question number third. Question number third. Find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Miscellaneous. देखो find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. If tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3, x lies in second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant. Can you tell me the formula of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2? Formula. You know. देखिए formula for sin x by 2. Sin x by 2. That is root 1 minus cos x by 2. We apply this formula here. Cos x by 2 formula. Root 1 plus cos x by 2 tan x by 2, that is root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, or you can say 1 minus cos x upon sin x. Apply this formula here. Correct? You can apply this formula here. In this formula, you know that the complete formula in the form of cos. So can you find the value of cos with the help of tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3? Tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3. Firstly find the sec. Firstly find the sec. You know that formula? Sec square x is equal to root 1 plus tan square x. Where do you know that plus minus? 1 plus, what is the value of tan x? 4 by 3 square, 16 by 9. When you simplify, 9 by 9 plus 16, 25 by 9. That is plus minus 5 by 3. Plus minus 5 by 3. This is the value of sec x. But you know that x lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sin and cos is positive. In second quadrant only sin and cos is positive. Therefore, you know that sec x is negative, that is 5 by 3, because x lies in second quadrant. And what is the value of cos x? That is minus 3 by 5. Now put this value here. Put this value here. Here again check. Put the value of cos x here. Sin x by 2. 1 minus cos x, and the value of cos minus 3 by 5 upon 2. When you simplify, 1 plus 3 by 5 upon 2. LCM here 5 plus 3 into 1 by 2, that is 8 by 5 into 2. 2 2 are 4, and root 4 into 2, 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. Just put the value, then simplify. This is the calculation work only. And cos x by 2, 1 plus, put the value of cos x here. Value of cos x minus 3 by 5. When you simplify, 5 1 is 5, 5 minus 3, 2, 1 by root 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 to 2 cancel, 1 by root 5. Clear? And the tan x by 2, you know, sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. You can put the value 2 by root 5 upon 1 upon root 5. root 5 cancel 2. Correct? And you know that x lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant means 90 less than x less than 180. So x lies in second quadrant, and you want to find x by 2 lies in which quadrant? X by 2 lies in which quadrant? Then divide each term by 2. Divide each term by 2. That is 45. X by 2 90. It means x by 2 lies in the first quadrant. 45 to 90. X by 2 lies in the first quadrant. And you know that in first quadrant all t ratios positive. All t ratios positive. X by 2 lies in first quadrant. And in first quadrant all t ratios positive. Therefore the value of this is positive. This is also positive. And this is also positive. Similarly, you can solve, correct? So just same homework, that is revise chapter 3rd. Okay. Thank you.